Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your go-to channel for easy, smart, and beginner-friendly trading strategies that actually work. In today's video, I'm sharing one of the best binary trading strategies for the OTC market. And yes, it's based on simple price action that works amazingly in trending conditions. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a powerful trading setup that could improve your win rate. A quick but important reminder, binary options trading carries significant financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making any trading decisions. Now, let's talk about the strategy. It's a trend-following method, super easy to understand, even if you're a beginner. Here's the basic idea. When you see 2 or 3 candles of the same color, followed by 1 candle of the opposite color, and then again 2 or 3 candles of the original color, it's a signal. Wait for another opposite color candle to form. Once it closes, you're ready to take a continuation trade on the next candle. Don't forget, support and resistance levels are your friends. Always check them before taking a trade. Another pattern to watch, if more than 5 candles of the same color appear back to back, wait for 1 candle of the opposite color, then go for a continuation trade. Simple rules to remember. More than 5 same color candles, trade after the first opposite candle. Fewer than 5 candles, wait for 2 opposite candles to confirm. The candle time frame is 1 minute with a 1-minute expiry. Risk management tips. Never trade with your emotions. Always use proper money management. Risk only 1% to 5% of your capital per trade. Don't ever risk more than 10% of your total account. Practice on a demo account first, before you go live. Backtest this strategy using historical charts to build your confidence and improve your accuracy. Also, check the video description below for step-by-step instructions, tips, and bonus insights to help you use this strategy like a pro. Now let's move on to the live trade example. Stay tuned because this is where the real action begins. Let's go. All right, traders, let's break down what's happening here on the chart. As you can see, after 4 red candles, a white candle appeared, then came 1 red candle, and now another white candle has formed. Now, according to our strategy rules, after that first white candle, we should have seen 2 red candles in a row before placing any trade. But here, we only got 1 red candle, so technically, this setup doesn't fully meet our entry rules. Also, take a look at the price level. It's right around a strong support zone. That's another reason why this trade setup is not ideal. When the price is sitting on support, it often reverses or consolidates, which can reduce the success rate of continuation trades. So, even though I placed a sell trade here, it's just for demonstration purposes only, to show you what to look for and what to avoid. Always remember, following the strategy exactly is key to long-term success. Now let's sit back and see how this trade plays out. As we expected, we lost this trade. And that's completely okay, because not every setup is perfect, and not every trade will be a winner. That's why it's so important to follow the rules strictly and never let emotions take over your decision-making. Now, let's not get discouraged. Losses are part of the trading game. They help us learn, improve, and grow. So now, let's be patient and wait for the next perfect trade setup, one that ticks all the boxes of our strategy. All right, traders, this is what we've been waiting for. According to our second strategy rule, this is a perfect buy setup. We just saw 5 white candles form one after another, showing a strong upward trend. Now, a single red candle has appeared, and based on the strategy, this often signals a brief pullback before the uptrend continues. So right here, I've taken a buy trade on the next candle. This setup matches our rules perfectly. Strong trend, correct candle pattern, no major resistance above, and clean chart structure. Now all we need to do is wait for the trade to finish. Will this be a winning trade or a losing one? Let's find out together. And yes, we've won this trade. This is the power of sticking to a proven strategy and waiting for the right setup. The market followed the pattern exactly as we expected. And the result? A clean, confident win. Okay, traders, we've just spotted another perfect setup, this time using our first strategy. Here's what happened. We saw 2 red candles, followed by a white candle, and then 4 more red candles. Now, another white candle has appeared, and this pattern suggests the downtrend is ready to continue. So based on this clear signal, I've taken a sell trade right here. This setup fits our strategy perfectly. Strong red candle series, correct pattern confirmation, market is trending downward, and no major support zone in the way. Now all we need to do is wait and watch. Will this trade end in a profit or loss? Let's find out together. And we've won this trade too. This clearly shows how powerful and reliable these price action-based strategies can be. When you follow the rules, stay patient, and respect market structure. Today, we saw different setups. Some trades didn't meet all conditions, and some gave us clear signals. The key takeaway? Stick to the plan. Avoid overtrading. Wait for high-quality setups. And remember, losses are part of the journey. But with discipline, smart risk management, and consistent practice, you can become a better trader every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel. Comment below if you have any questions or want more strategy videos. Share this with your trading friends who need this knowledge. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a winning setup. Also, check the video description for more tips, trading tools, and links to our Telegram community, where we share even more trading insights. Thanks for watching till the end. Trade smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.